Welcome to Helical Insight training videos. In this video, we will see the most commonly used visualizations that are present in a grid chart. Choosing the appropriate visualization plays a great role in key decision making. A grid chart simulates a crosstab chart and creates a chart for each field value, which is then filled with different visualizations. By default, you can see that it is a bar. To see what all visualizations can be filled into the grid chart, click on the meatball icon on top right. From the drop-down menu, select Marks and then expand all. You will see the most commonly used visualizations for grid chart in Helical Insight 5.0. Below this are the different customizing parameters. These different visualizations are seen only when we generate a report using grid chart option from Visualizations panel. Here, this is a simple grid chart with bars as visualization with mode of payment as the dimension and travel cost as the measure. So, bar is an axis chart and is one of the most common types of data visualization tool. A bar chart will include the data labels along the horizontal x-axis with measured metrics or values presented on the vertical y-axis. We can introduce colors in bars to emphasize important data points by having a field in color. Label will add a label to each section of the bar chart. And tooltip will give additional information of the field selected here in the gray box. There are other axis charts and grid chart visualizations. Here, area charts, line charts, tick and point charts are all the axis charts. Remember that these customization parameters behave in the same way for all the other visualizations of grid chart. In a line chart, the data points are joined by a line once we select the Generate button. Next is the area chart, which is a graph that combines a line chart and a bar chart to show changes in quantities over another variable. It's similar to a line graph in that data points are plotted and connected by line segments. However, the area below the line is covered in or shaded. Tick will just give a tick for each data points. So we see just a tick here. In a point chart, the data points are in the form of a point. When we see the customization parameters, we will see that we have two extra parameters of shape and size in addition to color, label, and tooltip. If we place a field like mode of payment in shape, then each data point will have a distinct shape, and if we have a field in size, then the size also changes of the data point. So far, we have discussed about the axis charts, wherein at least one measure and one dimension is required to generate the report. Let us see a few more visualizations. Arc means a pie chart. This represents one static number divided into categories that constitute its individual portions. To create a pie chart, at least one measure is required in rows or columns, and to divide it in categories, one dimension is required in color. So, if I have booking platform in color and then generate it, we will see that the whole pie chart will be divided into three colors, depicting travel cost of each booking platform for each mode of payment. Similarly, we can have a label and tooltip for this pie chart. A donut chart is similar to the pie chart. The requirements for a donut chart and all its customizations are similar to the pie chart, except that the chart is in form of a donut now. Next type of visualization is heat map. Heat maps are graphical representations of data that utilize color-coded systems. The primary purpose of heat maps is to better visualize the volume of events within a dataset and assist in directing viewers towards areas on data visualizations that matter most. Basic requirements for a heat map is that we should have at least one dimension in both rows and columns. Other than that, we can have dimension or measures in the rows or columns. An important point to note here is that it is independent of the customization parameters of color, label, and tooltip. Heat maps are innately self-explanatory. Similar shade will show values in a particular range. Here, pink color shows the larger value. I have added a field in color just to show how the travel cost is varying with color in the heat map. So, from the visualizations, select the most suitable type of display data that can be read easily and quickly. Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming a Helical Insight expert.